Hey guys, in today's video, we install BONOSS wheel spacers for this Ford F150.
BONOSS Ford F150 wheel spacers are safe and reliable for your truck. They affect your truck's performance positively and solve many problems to make your installation nice and easy. If you use high-quality wheel spacers that specifically fit your truck, there will be no problems. They push your wheels outward for fitment, which improves your bigger tire traction and makes driving safer. Installing Ford F150 truck spacers is not inherently dangerous. Just preserve the wheel spacer you get from a reputable company and install them correctly. When you get the wheel spacer to sit tight perfectly, you won't run the risk of excessive vibrations or damage to your truck. When choosing safe F150 wheel spacers, material selection can be very important. Considering the strength and rust-proof needs, brilliant aluminum is more suitable. BONOSS Forge Active Cooling Ford F150 wheel spacers are made of Forge 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy. They are high-performance aluminum alloys that feature good corrosion resistance, weldability, workability, and machinability. BONOSS insists on producing professional forged wheel spacers. 10 years super long warranty service, which is safer, more professional, and more reliable than others.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.